Jai Hind everyone, I am Dheeraj and going to talk about CPEC, that is China-Pakistan Economic Corridor. So it is a 3,000 kilometer long route of various infrastructural projects connecting Xinjiang in China, which is an autonomous region, to Gwadar Port, which is in western province of Balochistan in Pakistan. So it is a bilateral project between Pakistan and China, which contains various highways, railways, and pipelines, and accompanied by various infrastructural projects, energy and industrial projects. This project will help China in having an access to Middle East and Africa, and through this Gwadar port, and ultimately this will enable it an influence in the Indian Ocean region, and in return it will help Pakistan by helping it in various infrastructural developmental projects, which will ultimately help Pakistan in developing its degrading economy. Now, talking about its implications to India, then it hampers sovereignty of India. Since there is a region known as in Gilgit-Baltistan region in the POK territory of Pakistan occupied territory of India, which is supposed to be in India, but this CPEC uh, is causing people to perceive it as an opportunity to grab, because it is being seen as an optimism to them, and they are thinking that is an alternative to the economic well-being of them. Now, talking about the string of pearls, so it will help China strengthen its string of pearls, because its control on Gwadar port will enable its influence in the Indian Ocean region. Also, it will strengthen its China's BRI, that is Belt and Road Initiative, because it will help China to build a good trade relation with Eurasian countries, and reducing Indian uh, Indian trade relations with these Eurasian countries. Also, this will help Pakistan to influence India's exports with US and UAE. Now, talking about the way forward, then we can have a good bilateral and multilateral relations with other countries, and we can leverage other countries like ASEAN nations to trade with other nations through Indian Ocean sea route. Also, many India should focus on its own projects like BCIM project, that is Bangladesh, China, India, and Myanmar Growth Economic Corridor, and some other projects like Chabahar project, etc. And also, India should focus on projects like mm, Asia Africa Growth Economic Corridor, which is an Indian and Japanese economic cooperation, which will ultimately help India in strategic uh, improvements and counter China. So, thank you so much.